Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover documents with Microsoft, full guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Word or the relevant Microsoft application you were using. Click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of your screen. Select Open from the left sidebar. Look for an option labeled Recent to see a list of recent documents. If your document appears there, click on it to open. If the document does not appear, click on Browse to search for it manually. Navigate to the folder where you believe the document was last saved. In the File dialog, you can change the file type to All Files if you are unable to find your document. If you still cannot locate your file, return to the File menu. Select Info from the sidebar. Under Manage Document, look for options such as Recover Unsaved Documents. Click on Recover Unsaved Documents to open a folder. Review this list and select any documents that might fit your needs. Open the selected file to check if it's the document you wish to recover. If you find the correct document, make sure to save it immediately. To save the document, click on File again, then select Save As. Choose your desired location and enter a name for the document. Click Save to finalize the recovery of your document. If you often face issues with lost documents, consider enabling Auto Recover. To do this, go to File, then Options. In the Options menu, select Save from the sidebar. Ensure the Auto Recover feature is turned on and specify the save interval. This will help you recover documents more efficiently in the future. For further assistance, consider checking Microsoft's support website for additional resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.